Wow, kids, nice animal.
Dinosaur.
Crocodile, elephant, horse, giraffe, kangaroo. Wow, kids, nice color. Blue color, green color, yellow color, red color, black color, and white color. Kids, today we learn capital letters alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw A and use blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. So now you draw H and use green color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nose. Now you draw O and use yellow color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. So now you draw V and use red color. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. Okay, so now you draw one and use red color. One, and next one is two. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now you draw 6 and use blue color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The numbers of 10. So now you draw 11 and use yellow color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so now you draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use green color. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.